They got these Air Force Ones on deck for ladies. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop pass, fire, or trash. Got like that jelly Nike swoosh on there. Not too bad. I'm not mad at these shoes. Let me know your thoughts. There they go again with the 3M on them. Pretty dope. Also, these are going for $49 with 20% off. That's pretty good. Not bad at all. Let's see if we can find some more heat. You know what I'm saying? Another one quickly for the ladies. Have not seen this Odyssey React. Got different things going on here. Want to show you guys whatever I see that might catch my eye. Maybe you might like them. Let me know what you guys think down below. Going for 69 bucks with 20% off. You dig? Excuse me, sorry. Ladies, let me know your thoughts and opinions on these shoes. Never seen these before ever in my life. For running, is something you would, oh, these are for trail and hiking. Which, I mean, I think the look of them is pretty dope. The color combination, rather, is pretty dope. Looks like any other running shoe out there. Ladies and gentlemen watching, let me know what you think about these in the comment section below. They got these by the boatload for the ladies. I'm not sure how many ladies actually like those. Some more right there. Pretty cool though. Pretty good selection here. Let me know what you guys are seeing, what you guys are liking. I'm sure I probably passed up on something, you know? Ladies, what do you guys think about these Air Max 1s? Pretty dope. Silver with the gold, look like an airbrush type of thing. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Got some of these on deck again, still Hirachi gang. Seen these laying around before with the little strap right there. That's pretty cool. Seen some more heat for the ladies. Got the Air Force Ones here. I like these ones right here. I want to know, the ladies watching the video, who's liking these Air Max 1s. These are dope. The all black leather with that Nike, the white Nike hints. These are pretty dope. They are going for $64 with the extra 20% off. Not bad on these shoes. Who's feeling them? Let me know your thoughts and opinions. The leather on here looks pretty plush. Looks like some pretty good quality on here. Who's feeling them? Let me know in the comment section. I see something else pretty close to it too that I think is worthwhile. Let me know if you guys think that. These right here. I think we've seen these before and saw like a Foot Locker Finish Line. Just got some crazy colors going on here. Which ladies are liking these? Who thinks they're trash? Let me know. Ladies, tell me your thoughts on these ACGs. Now you can't tell me these are not fire. These are dope. The materials on here are nice. Fellas, don't you agree? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I got some Jordans on deck for the little ones still. We've seen these 13s before, like maybe 2 visits ago. Not mad at those at all. They're going for $74 for a 5Y. Some more shadows. You got these 4s right here on deck. $74. They hooked the kids up, man. Got the Snowflake 8s. I was good on them, but maybe you might like them. Let me know your thoughts and opinion. Maybe your kids might like them, something like that. It's more came out when the winter happens, but now it's summertime. Don't know how many people's gonna go after them. $69 is the retail price on them. And then you got some more 13s and some Shadow 10s. Pretty dope. We're getting towards the end of it. We're gonna wrap it up shortly. Got some Air Max TNs, Air Max Plus, $89. In the gold colorway, I think that's dope. Back wall, so it's extra 20% off. Another shoe that I see that I wanna go ahead and mention, even though I've seen it like 3 times. Got yourself here another 720 with some extra laces for the ladies. 104 is the price point on this as opposed to 120. So 104 with 20% off. Somebody trying to hide these, putting these in the women's section. Never really seen this before. Zoom Fly SP 89, size 12.5. Felt like somebody may be trying to hide these. Second to last row. Just going down here with my quick eye, trying to glimpse and see what I can see. There's one thing on the other side of the wall that I want to show y'all. Okay, I'm seeing a couple things you guys might be interested in. So, we got these back again. Kyrie Third Eye Vision. They're back in the flesh. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. This is a size 7 over here, so it's the youth size. Another thing they got for the youth is these Jordan 2s BHM. I don't know how many people actually went after these. I know people was liking them at first, but then they dropped. They didn't really like them the same. Who's feeling them? Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. I knew these were gonna be outlet bound. You feel me? Then the next thing they got is they got a little bit of heat rock over here. You know what I'm saying? They got the Wheat 6s. Jordan 6 Wheat going for $74 in the 7Y. Some of these Reacts over here. $94 on that tag with 24 off or 20% off. KD 11. So I think these are not Chinese New Year's. I forget what the name of these are. $69, a size 7Y. Let me know what you guys think about those also. Pretty dope, bro. Not mad at all at what I'm seeing here. And last but not least, for the little ones, they got these, which we saw last time we were here in Santa Clarita. Not sure how many people is actually feeling these. I seen something on the other aisle with a glimpse. I'm gonna show y'all those and we're gonna get out of here, you dig? Indeed, I found another pair of Kyrie 5 Third Eye Visions. Only a matter of time before they're like on sale and that Kyrie 6 comes out. Looking forward to that. Let me know how many people out there looking forward to that. I got a video of images that were leaked of it. 270s on deck. Pennies down there, some pennies down there. Jordan 11s. We've seen these everywhere at every outlet. Not surprised at all that these are still here. Air Max 97s. That colorway is pretty dope for the kids. Wow, look at this. The materials on this one is plush. In my opinion, they're plush. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section below. Cop pass, fire, or trash. These are crazy though, bro. I'm not mad at these at all, man. 97s are so hard. $74 retail with the 20% off. More 11s down here. Got these foam posits, not too bad either. More Third Eye Visions. Got some more KD 11s, not bad. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Luckily, we found my Kyrie so far. These lows, I'm taking both of those with me. Just going down to see what else is here. Nothing else on this aisle, so now I'm about to go ahead and get over to the other side, you dig? This was the last shoe I'm probably gonna talk about. This is what I saw when I came down the other way, which are these Jordan 1 Blues. I call them the Dodgers. $64 for these, for the youth sizes. Did not see them in adult sizes at all, but I did see them here. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, man, I'm pretty sure that's gonna wrap it up. You guys see what you guys see here. Everything else on this aisle we've kind of glimpsed at in another size or something like that. So nothing really worth pulling out here. Okay, see something I didn't see earlier. They got this one on deck now. Not too bad. 4Y though. Not too many people are buying 4Y here. Maybe you're doing it for your kids. I don't know. 180 with 20% off. It should definitely be cheaper than that. But yeah, that's it. I think that's it. These Kyries all day though. All day. I don't know how this might help some people, maybe not. You know, we're in a size 3.5Y. I just want to show you guys some shoes I came across that were pretty dope. Got these ones right here. We already saw them foams. Never seen these before. What do you guys think about these? LeBron 15s for the kids, of course. Maybe don't have an opinion on them. Just saying, I never seen this colorway before. They always get the kids some dope stuff. Let me know what y'all think. So as you can see, we've been finding some good things, some heaters for men and women. If you see something you like, say something. Make sure you leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. Share it also so more people in the world can see it. And if you happen to be new, go ahead and subscribe to your boy Bossco, you dig? Peace. So as you can see, I'm leaving it right now, Nike Outlet. I found me a pretty good finds that you guys can always see. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Once again, like I said, leave a comment down below. I'm about to go ahead and check out the next two stores, which is Ross and Marshall's. I won't be there too long, but hopefully we'll find some good things there too. And if I do, I'll definitely show you guys, you dig? Now, this is my first time actually getting these things in hand. Seeing the images of them, they look a lot better than they do in person, but these are still pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these overall. These are the Jordan 1 mids for the kids that actually, the outsole glow in the dark. The pictures and images I saw, these were pretty dope. Getting these in hand, not so much, but let me know what you guys think about them. You guys might like them. They are pretty dope. Will you guys cop these for your little ones? Let me know in the comment section. One of the newest colorways out. Not a new love, but something like that. What do you guys think about these? These are not bad, bro. These look almost like highs with their mids. Mids are not bad, bro. They're making a comeback, bro. They definitely are. You got the mids and you got the lows. It's really cracking right now. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. And this is the first time I'm actually able to see These in a bigger size and in person, these Jordan mids are fire. Got that satin Nike swoosh around it with the white trim. Pretty dope, bro. Now we see them in a regular size. Last time was like a kid size or something, I don't know. Or just a small adult size, you feel me? These are pretty crazy. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Here at Chatsworth, actually Northridge Champ Sports, these are pretty dope though. I think these are for women. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? They came out in a pack with, I guess, these two before, but this is my first time ever seeing them. He said they came out like a while ago. If you guys have seen these before and I'm just the one late, let me know in the comment section, but which one out of the two do you guys like more? These are the ones. Now, when I first got information, man, they were trying to talk like these were just GS releases. I don't know how or why I thought that. It's like a black with almost some navy blue right there. Almost looks like a navy blue. Now, they have them in the black and red and white colorway, Chicago Bulls theme. What do you guys think about these up-tempos? These didn't ever really release, like Pippen didn't wear these. But these would have been pretty dope on the court for him, I guess. But what do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop pass, fire, or trash? But really though, these. Who's copping, who's passing? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. We'll probably get these home to do a review on them. Just not today, got a few other things going on, but maybe tomorrow or the day after. But let me know what you guys think about these truly. How many people actually went after these? Metallic gold, black and metallic gold championship pack or reminiscences of the championship pack they had before. Let me know what you guys think. I just want to let y'all know these ones all here, which we just seen, I told you, seen them in store. They're actually already on sale before the, I don't even know how to even explain that. Dope though, 140 now, used to be 180, fire. And then these BHMs, oh man, don't get me started here at Finish Line. I'm here at Finish Line inside Northridge. They all have the deals too, bro. Look at these night joggers. Oh man, I don't even have that much battery left on my phone. What do you guys think about these, bro? These are pretty fire. The night joggers are definitely growing on me. This white colorway is pretty cool too, not as much as the other one next to it. Kind of loud, but that's perfect if you're night jogging, you feel me? What's going on here? I really came in here just to take a look, just to see what's going on. I didn't know I was gonna see stuff that's gonna make me wanna pick up. You know what I'm saying? Like pick it up and talk to y'all about the thing. Crazy. I'm telling you, man, Finish Line is a dope store because they always come with things a little quicker, different, and on sale. You feel me? I haven't seen these before. These Presto Reacts that you guys see, I got them on too, black and white colorway. Have not seen this colorway. This has to be one of the newer ones. Maybe this is like a Finish Line exclusive, just like these are Finish Line exclusives. You won't see this colorway at Foot Locker from what I remember being told, which is fire. What is your favorite color of the Presto Reacts? Is the ones I got, these, those. I seen these at the outlets. These ones are dope too, but we seen the reverse of this in navy blue. Those are crazy. Man, I'm telling you, the Presto Reacts are fire. What do you guys think? Do you guys agree? Are they fire or are they trash? New Balance is on sale. So much heat over here, bro. I really didn't come here for this, but since I'm in here, I'm gonna show you guys what I see right this second. You feel me? Just let me know what you guys see, something you guys might like. You know, I'm getting down to even more heat. Feelers got some stuff. We got feeler heads out there. These ones are pretty crazy. I'm telling you, I did not expect to be in here right now. I was passing by just to check out some other stuff. Yeah, I'm cool right now. Thank you, bro. This is crazy, though. PGs galore. Iridescence, Paulettes, the Oreos, the Apollos. You got Kyrie's right next to them. You got the black and gold, black metallic gold. You got the Kyrie lows. Finish Line. If you guys are looking for a place to go really quick, try them out, bro. Then you got these, the Dame 5s. Which one is this? Is this like a Black History Month one? Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section below. These indeed are pretty fire though. Cop pass, fire, or trash. Another mid. I swear my phone about to die. I keep seeing so many different colorways of shoes I haven't seen yet, or shoes I've seen but not in colorways I haven't seen yet. You see, I'm so confused and excited because we are here around some fire shoes. Now we got these 6s, man. What do you guys think about these? Are you guys a fan of the 3M look? I like it like this without the 3M popping. This makes it look like a dope color, but then when the 3M hits, it's a whole new shoe, bruh. Thoughts and opinions down below.